Be an active reader. Look for each word in yellow along with its meaning. Basic needs. Nutrients. Survive. Shelter. Lungs. Gills. Underlined sentences answer the questions. What does a plant need to live and grow? What happens if a plant cannot meet its basic needs? What do animals need to live and grow? What happens if an animal cannot meet its basic needs? How can we compare the needs of plants and animals? Which scientists study plants and animals? What does a plant need to live and grow? Plants have basic needs. Basic needs are the things that living things must have to live and grow. Plants need nutrients. Nutrients are things that help plants grow. Plants get nutrients from the soil. Plants need water, air, and sunlight. They use these things to make food. Plants also need space to grow. Plants use their roots to take in water and nutrients. Their stems carry water and nutrients to leaves and flowers. Sunlight. Stem, roots, leaf. Water and nutrients. What happens if a plant cannot meet its basic needs? What happens when you get thirsty? Your mouth gets dry. When you drink water, you feel better. Plants need water too. An unwatered plant has dry, droopy leaves. The leaves may turn brown or yellow. Soon the leaves fall off. Only some plants can survive or stay alive without much water. A cactus can live with very little water. A cactus grows well in a desert because it does not need much water. This plant has not gotten the water it needs to survive. Have you ever noticed that some plants turn toward the light? Plants get light from the sun. Plants need light. They use the light to make food. If they do not have light, they cannot make food. If they cannot make food, they cannot survive. A plant without light will not get all it needs. It will die. Plants need sunlight to live and grow. What do animals need to live and grow? Animals have basic needs too. Animals need air to breathe. They need food to eat. They need water to drink. They also need shelter. Shelter is a safe place to live. Many animals use their lungs to get oxygen from the air. They breathe in air. The air goes into their lungs. Fish have gills. Gills take in oxygen from the water. Gills, lungs. Animals eat different things. Some animals eat plants. Some animals eat other animals. Some animals eat both. Animals need water to live. Many animals live near water. Some animals live in the water. Animals need shelter to keep them safe. Squirrels live in trees. Lions live in dens. Trees and dens are shelter. What happens if an animal cannot meet its basic needs? Wild animals live where they can meet their needs. They must be able to get food. They must be able to get water. They must have clean air to breathe. They must stay safe. What might happen if an animal's needs cannot be met? For example, what if there is very little rain? There would be no water. What does the animal do then? These elephants are looking for water. Some animals move so they can meet their needs. Elephants can walk many miles to find water. Whales swim long distances to find food. Some animals die if they can no longer meet their needs. Their bodies are not made to go without food or water. They may get eaten if they do not have a place to hide. This gnu has no place to hide from the lion. How can we compare the needs of plants and animals? We can use a Venn diagram to compare plants and animals. How are they the same? How are plants and animals different? Plants and animals are a lot alike. Needs of animals, shelter. Needs of plants, sunlight. Both, air, water, food, nutrients, space. Which scientists study plants and animals? A scientist who studies plants is called a botanist. George Washington Carver was a famous botanist. He worked with peanuts, soybeans, and sweet potatoes. Zoologists study animals. Jane Goodall is a zoologist. She studies chimpanzees. She keeps them safe, too. George Washington Carver was a botanist. He studied plants.